Hello, today I'm going to show you how to compile your first Linux kernel program and the way you're gonna insert it in the Linux kernel. Okay, I'm going to use an Ubuntu system running on Oracle virtual machine VirtualBox. Okay, let's get things straight to the point. So first, for you to compile your first Linux kernel module, you have to create your C file program, and then you have to have your makeup file, right? I have the two files inside my computer, which is yep, where is yeah. You see, I have the hello world program.c file this way. It's your program for compiling a first Linux kernel, and I also have my backup file here this way. Okay, so let's get back to here. So you have to, as I have said, you have to have the C file and the backup file, right? So you we use the make file command using a make file to create this. Let me just show you. Okay, so you have first to work under your directory where the C file is located and the make file is located. Let me just list them. As you can see, is the let me just remove this whatever. As you can see, I have the hello world program with the makeup file. So let me compile my first maybe. As you have seen, this is successful, and then you have to insert this mode using sudo insert mode. Insert mode, then hello world, this one, it's here, it was created here. Hello world dot ko program local.ko. So I'm gonna insert it. Requires root privilege access. Just gonna type my password. Yeah, as you can see, you could have a problem. Sudo could not insert module kernel file exist, right? This is because my let me just detach it first. Then sorry, and mod lower scale that way. So sudo, just copy this. Copy. Yep. Yeah. If you want to check up the module has been inserted, you have to check up using the dmessage command. Dmessage command. Yeah. As you can see, it says hello, this is my first Linux kernel program. Hello, I'm exiting the program. Thanks. Hello, this is what? Yeah. This means that the compiling the Linux kernel was successful. And if in case you encounter a problem like this, no, here it is, like this. Insert mode could not insert module hello world invalid mode format. We have to run the following command to access the router privileges. Here it is. What you have just to do is to this. As I've already sorted out my problem, I don't have to run it again. Yes. So here it is. You have to run this command and run it. That's okay. For me, I already did that. And then I believe after that you should be able to insert your module and remove your module as I have created here. So the final step is to remove our module. Hello world. You finally remove the our program. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much.